In the world of finance, it's all about strategy. Picture this. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals on earth, bought his first stock at just 11. Now, he's worth billions. But it's not just about the big players. Consider the story of a schoolteacher who consistently invested a small portion of her salary for 30 years. Now in retirement, she's comfortable and secure, proving that patience truly is a virtue in investing. And then there's the magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein famously called it the eighth wonder of the world. Start investing early and let time do the rest. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's a game of patience, strategy, and consistency. So take that first step, invest wisely, and watch your wealth grow. These are the stories that remind us it's never too late to start building your financial empire. Stay motivated and keep pushing towards your financial goals. After all, every billionaire started with their first dollar.